It follows from the foregoing.
The International Court of Justice on Friday ruled it will hear part of a case brought by Ukraine. Kyiv has asked the UN's highest court to declare it did not commit genocide in eastern Ukraine, which Russia claimed as a pretext for going to war with its neighbour. Ukraine brought the case to the court, also known as the World Court, days after Russia's full-scale invasion in 2022. On Friday, judges found the court had jurisdiction to hear a small part of the case, on whether or not Ukraine committed genocide in Donetsk and Luhansk, which are now occupied by Russia. The judges threw out a request by Ukraine to rule on whether the Russian invasion violated the 1948 Genocide Convention,
And that the court may not deal with them on the merits.
Last September, lawyers for Moscow urged judges to throw out the entire case, saying Kyiv's legal arguments were flawed and the court had no jurisdiction. On Friday, the judges granted some of those objections. It could take many months to hear the case on the merits. The court issued an emergency order in March 2022, ordering Russia to immediately halt its military operations in Ukraine. While the court's rulings are final and legally binding, it has no way to enforce them, and some states, like Russia, have ignored them. Ukraine won a small victory at the court on Wednesday, when judges ruled Russia had violated UN treaties against the financing of terrorism and discrimination. That was a different case, dealing with incidents from 2014.